Hey everyone, I am Raindrops if you are new here, and if you are a returning drop, welcome back. Welcome to another episode of Throwing Shade Thursdays. This is where I feature color wigs on my channel once a week, just to have some pop of color here on the channel and have a little bit of fun with these colored wigs. I normally get them from the local beauty supply store where I like to shop at. I like to shop at different ones, but there's one particular that I really love, but I end up finding it somewhere else this time. So let me see, the wig, I just took it off the netting. Today's color is indigo. This is, the bag actually says Sensational, but I don't know if it's by Sensational or Outre, because sometimes when they take the wigs off of the head, I don't think they, have the package where it came from in the first place. But this stock card says newborn, I think that's newborn free. Magic lace curved part lace wig. It was originally $42.99, but I got it off the mannequin head for $20, and so therefore I had 20% off, so it was $29.99. And it says you can curl it up to 360. Please, if you are doing synthetic wigs, please follow the directions of if you're going to apply heat. If it says 360 and don't go above, do that, because you can burn, the fibers. This is item MLC 180, and it just says Style Magic Lace Curve Part, and the color is DYX Indigo Blue. This is what the stock card looks like. Just looking at it on the stock card, it looks like it needs some work done to it. But when I saw it on the mannequin head, it did not look like that. So if I need to do anything to it, I will. And then it just has the other colors that the wig comes in. So this is what the wig looks like. I just love that blue. And I love that it looks textured like a yaki, that is not that silky straight. I don't really like that. And these are the curls, and I most likely will brush them out because I don't need all of these curls. This is, on the mannequin, it was a, I think they had it like as a middle part, but being that it's a curved part, I'm pretty sure it goes to the side, but we will see. The inside, it has adjustable straps, 2 combs, one in the back, one at the top. I'm going to remove. I don't like the combs digging into my braids, pulling at my hair. And you guys know I don't like to wear a stocking cap because of extra added pressure. This is the lace. As you can see, to me, this looks plastic, and I've never felt a lace like this before and I have several synthetic wigs, but this lace feels kind of hard. It feels weird, like it literally feels plastic. So I'm going to remove the lace and come back and then apply it. So if I need to do anything such as customizing it, plucking it, or anything like that, I'm going to do it off camera. But yeah, this is what we're doing today. So this is the 3rd episode of Throwing Shade Thursdays. And yeah, we're gonna get started. So also in this video, you will see outfits of the day. I'm gonna do a casual outfit, just something if you were going out with your girls for lunch, or with Bae for lunch. sneaker vibes, cute dress, and then going to dinner with your significant other. I'm going to, you know, fancy it up. So if you like to see how this look comes out with this wig and makeup and all, please stay tuned to the video. If you're new here and you like what you see in this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification so you'll be notified every time I upload. Like this video, it helps get my videos into the algorithm so more people can see it and join the gang. Leave me a comment. I like to know you just as well as you getting to know me. Share this video, the more the merrier. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.
grind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your fucking clout, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.